APB 4250 air-powered bench has an optional tabletop booth with both downdraft and backdraft. Filter access is accomplished without using tools. One knob opens both filter access doors. Behind the doors are the cartridge filters, and above is an opening for the standard baffles or optional metal mesh spark traps, water, or sand pans. Filter cartridges slide in and out on filter support rails. On the inside of the filter access doors is a push-on aerospace bubble gasket which seals the doors. The discharge air from the table is pushed out the back through the exhaust grill. You can see how quickly the fume is drawn down into the back. The booth contains the fume from escaping to the ambient air. The downdraft velocity as measured is 250 feet per minute, and the backdraft velocity partway up the back is 100 feet per minute. Every table has a mini helic gauge for measuring the filter pressure drop. It is also an indicator when the filters are dirty and need to be cleaned. Next to the gauge is a standard manual motor starter. Rotating the switch starts up the motor and blower. This is where the input power is attached. On this table is an optional automatic cleaning system called our Smart Pulse. This is an on-demand cleaning, which means the pulse valves will open when the pressure drop across the filter reaches a high pressure, which can be preset. The drawer below the cartridges collects the dust. The drawer slides out, giving you the ability to clean the excess dust.